In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue and how you can reset the EVOX DBO to 20. It's super simple. So what you're going to have here is that where you're going to power it on, right here, you're going to have powered it on. First, you have to power it on, and then we're going to have powered it on. Then under the Wi-Fi symbol, you're going to have this button right here, and it's a reset button. So what you need to do is you want to press the reset button. It's going to be above the turning on, turning off the robot vacuum cleaner, and you want to press and hold the reset button up to 7 to 14 to 15 seconds, and this is how we're going to fix the issue. That's how simple it is. So let me know down in the comments if this video helped you and if you succeeded to resetting the vacuum cleaner. So again, you're going to power it on, and then you want to press and hold the reset button, and this is how we're going to solve the issue. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.